Hey guys, David Guest. When it comes to growing your business, you really need to invest the time in working on your business. But for a lot of people, they're not really clear on what working on your business actually means. We created the GPS or the growth planning system to give you a way of creating that business plan, because when it comes to planning your business, there's actually three pillars. So if you think about the business planning process, the first pillar is that you really need to be clear on your goals or your direction, right? So you need to get that goal setting piece done. You need to know what you're building, how big, what size, all the numbers around it. The second part of the planning sort of mechanism is that you need to have some sort of metrics, right? So you need to know whether you're on track or not. So having some sort of metrics, and that could be KPIs, that could be revenue, that could be profit, whatever it needs to be for you. But the last piece of this puzzle is that you need to have some level of mapping. Now, what I mean by mapping is that you need to have like a Gantt chart or a mud map or a business plan that actually allows you to put these elements together so that you can make sure you're getting traction. Because it's great to have goals, it's great to have metrics, but if you're not actually planning out how you're going to implement those strategies, you probably won't get the growth that you anticipate. So the growth planning system is our method that we put together over the years to help people grow their business. And there's 4 steps to growing a business. When we do our planning mechanism, the first thing we do is we look at what's been happening in the business in the past. So we do a bit of a review. The second part is that we redefine. Now, why do we redefine? It's because I think, as business progresses, as the economy changes around us, we need to redefine what our goals need to be. So reviewing our goals is one thing, but redefining them is actually making sure they're still valid. The third piece of the puzzle is then to refocus. And the idea of planning is to get you to think about what is the next main thing that I need to be focused on. So getting refocused on what is the elements that need to be installed in your business is part of that planning mechanism. And the final part is the commitment piece. And that's really where you start putting timeframes around things or mapping out what it is you're actually going to do and holding yourself to account. So if you need some help with this, right, we do this every 8 weeks with clients. We run this growth planning system. And what I've found is it's not about the plan, it's about the planning. So you need to be doing this on a regular basis anyway. So if you'd like to join us at the next growth planning system, just follow the link on this page and find out more about the next event. And if you join us, you'll start to see that a methodology for doing your business plan will create significant growth and significant traction in moving you forward in your business. Hope to see you there.